Would you like to make $180 per day? I'm going to show you how you can make sales from $7, $27. Look at these sales, $7, $17, $27. You can make sales all day long. And best of all, it is worldwide.
We actually broke 100 subscribers. You're like, you sell some stuff.
Build the income, get to affiliate marketing. Alright guys, so stick with me. What you need to do is go to freeplrdownloads.com. Now all of these, we're actually going to do one together. This Twitter Tornado, we're going to download this free ebook, and whenever you click on it, it's going to open up. And as you can see, it's Master Resale Rights. So if you just scroll down here and hit download, show in folder, you want to extract all, it'll ask you which file you want to put it in. Here's one of the first tips I'm going to give you. Okay, so create you 3 folders and name them health, money, and relationships. Those are the 3 main categories that people are willing to spend money on. It's money, health, and relationships. So like weight loss, those types of things, health, money, people want to make more money, and then relationships. Okay, so obviously we're going to put this in money. And as you can see, I've already got 4 other ebooks in here, which I'll show you shortly. I'm going to hit extract. Okay, so this is the 5 ebooks that I have downloaded to show y'all. So this is going to be in the Make Money from Home niche. 5 easy ways to make money offline from local businesses. So this ebook, as you can see up here, is 7 pages long. How to make money online with a free blog for newbies. This ebook is 6 pages long. How to generate quick cash in an emergency. Found money. So this ebook is 55 pages long. Now all these ebooks are free, guys. They're free, and you can actually sell them. You can actually sell them to people, but also within selling them, you have to look in your folder. A lot of times you have to actually give the product license to them along with the ebook. So just make sure you send that out to them as you make your sales. Now this is a really great ebook. It's 11 pages long. How to make money with your writing. So as you can see, you scroll down, it's very well laid out. There's an introduction. There's advantages of writing as a business. The types of writing. Just there's so much stuff in this ebook. So go ahead and check it out. And right here with this ebook, Twitter, because I'm going to show you shortly of how many different websites you can use to post your content. I'm going to give so many bonuses in this video. Just stick around with me. You're going to learn so much and how you can make money from home, which is what each and every one of you that follow our channel want. So this ebook is going to be Twitter Tornado. It's how you can build your business around Twitter. With downloading the free ebooks, you can download as many as you want, but in order for you to make money, you've got to learn how to sell them. And there's a couple things here that I'm going to show you that you really need to know. First off, you need to go to gumroad.com, create your account. As you can see, this is mine and Sam's account. And you need to actually learn this platform. It's a really great platform to actually start to sell your products. They have paid over $235 million to artists, designers, educators, writers, podcasters, and more. So Gumroad is a very solid site. There's so many things with this website. You just scroll through it, you can just see. This is some of the testimonials on the site from Kyle. Selling through Gumroad, the smartest move I ever made. As a business tool, it is a work of art. And you're going to scroll through some of the reviews. And as you can see, over 40,000 creators doing what they love on this website. So check it out, sign up for it. And another thing that I wanted to show you on this is if you click over here, you can actually grow and embed your email forms within this site. Now we all know that the money is in the list. You know, you need to be growing an email list. That is so true, and this site actually allows you to help grow your list as well. So make sure you're doing that as well as you're going through this. All right, so a few other sites that just save, create accounts that you're going to be able to promote these ebooks: Twitter, Reddit, Craigslist, of course, Facebook. All right, so Medium is a great site where you can go and create blogs. You have Blogger. As you can see, I'm signed in. I have 12 posts on Blogger. Tumblr. As you can see, I think we have 9 posts on Tumblr. Now, a few different sites where you can actually create your own blog would be Weebly, WordPress.org. As you can see, to be able to make money online, watching this video, if you watched in its entirety, you know that it is not that hard to make yourself some money, because we know money, health, and relationships are the 3 main categories that people want help with. They need help with making money, they need help with losing weight, and they need help understanding the other sex and why their relationship is going wrong. So use these 3 categories to your advantage and profit in these niches. I mean, they are these 3 niches are never going to change. Money, health, and relationships are always going to be around. That's what people need help with, and you are able to use these strategies that I've given to you in this video to start making you some sales on a daily basis. Now, if you were to make 20 sales a day at $9 a piece, that is $180, and that's the goal. Each one of you could start yourself a goal to make 2 or 3 sales a day, and it's not going to take that long to build yourself up to where you're making 10 to 20 sales every single day to make yourself some money. Now, if you'd like to make some more money on a more passive income, what you need to do is check out one of the first links in the description. Check out this video, and this will show you what Sam and I are doing to make a passive income. Whenever we started this opportunity, we really didn't know what we were looking for, and when we found this, it has actually absolutely changed our lives. So go ahead and check out that link if you want more ways to make money online. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and do that and hit that bell notification, and that way you'll be able to get all of our future videos. We were trying to release 3 to 5 videos a week. Most of the time we were releasing 5 to 6 videos a week. So go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you get all of our videos. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the content. If this is the first time you've ever been to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and bell notification. That way you stay up to date with all of our future videos. Now, we try to shoot 3 to 5 videos per week, so you're going to get a whole lot of content from us. So just stay plugged in, interact with us down there in comments. We love speaking to people from the YouTube community. Now, if this is the first time that you've ever been to our site, you probably don't know what Sam and I do. So our primary home business is going to be down there in the description. You can check it out. You should be able to watch a video on what Sam and I do. Whenever we started online, okay, we didn't know what we wanted to do. And this company has absolutely changed Sam and I's lives. So a lot of people, whenever they do get started online, they don't understand about marketing. They don't understand about creating websites. They don't understand how to create forms to actually build an email list. A lot of those things. So that's what this company has done for Sam and I. Okay, there's so many things that you need to learn to make money online, and this company has that type of training. It's one of the leaders in the field with that type of training. So if you're interested in that, just check out that link in the description. And I hope y'all have a blessed week, a great week. Happy holidays to everybody. We just had Thanksgiving, and we had about 20 of us get together with the family. We had a great time, had a good meal, and we're looking forward to Christmas coming up next month. So hope each and every one of you have a great holiday season. Stay blessed, stay positive, keep growing your income from home, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.